है ना?
Hello, welcome to week 2. How are you? Hemani,
Good. I'm good.
how are
Very
you?
fantastic.
Yeah, how are you?
Perfectly
Ashish,
fine.
yeah,
Perfectly fine.
okay. So you're all excited for the
Yes.
new week.
Yes,
Yes.
Hope
yes.
you had a great time in the last week. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
as every week we are coming up with the new things. Okay, this week we are going to talk about the power coding. Okay,
Yeah.
integrated power coding. Understand how you have been coded, how to remove negative coding that you may have never been aware of. Uh, you understand what it means?
Yeah.
That we are all coded with so many things, and we think that is the right way. But sometimes it protects us, sometimes it actually create a lot of problem. So let us understand what is the coding. There are two types of codings are there. The fundamental codings are two types. One is a encode and the other one is E code. Encode is a negative code, okay,
Yeah.
and E code is a good code which is we have to replace it with encodes. Can you say something? What happens in your life and how it has impacted you?
Nadeem ji,
Huh.
encode and E-code, I understand.
Hmm.
But how form in my mind, I don't understand.
Very good.
Why you give this name,
Okay.
E-codes and
Hmm.
N-codes?
Okay. Ashaji,
That
can I'll explain her.
Yes.
Can you give any
Yeah.
encodes which is coming in your mind?
Mm, like, will I be able to write a good article?
Okay. So suppose this is your code. Okay, I'll tell you some kind of a stories to make you understand better. Okay. So anything it is called defining moment in life. You know what is defining moment?
Some moment which
Okay.
will
I'll
turn
I'll,
things.
I'll tell you one story. Like suppose you are traveling in a train. Okay. If somebody asks you to get on from first class compartment, you have a ticket. What do you do?
We have a ticket. Why we will get out? We will not get out.
Okay. Somebody told you you are to get out for whatever reason. The TC only asks you to get down and go into the next compartment.
give
So
me a reason now. I will ask, give me a reason why I'm get out. This is my ticket and this is my seat. How can I you say
okay,
I'm get out?
same thing happened to one person. His name is Mahatma Gandhi. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so he was traveling in South Africa, and somebody came and asked him to get on because he's an Indian, he's a black. This was done by British. So he asked the same question, but what he said is, I have a ticket with me. But they said, you are a black, you are a, you know, we are British, we are superior people. So he has to go to the other this thing. So then he decided, that is called defining moment. He decided that from today onwards, I will throw out British from India. That is the defining moment for him. Similarly, in your life, something has happened that is actually called defining moment. At that moment, your mind will create some codes in the mind. For example, if my teacher came and told me that your English is not good,
Yeah.
okay, so same thing he would have told to many people. Everybody will take different meaning to that. Somebody says yes, my English is not good.
But I don't understand what is the codes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Why you give me a name codes and
That
what is the codes?
that is what
What is
I'm
the N codes? What is the E code? I don't
that is
understand.
what I'm explaining. Okay, so suppose my teacher came and told me that your English is not good. Okay, if he says the same thing to you or somebody else, they'll say, okay, my English is not good. They'll go home and sleep.
Hmm.
Okay, so somebody says, no, my English is not good, but I'll prove that my English is good. So they become PhD in English. Some people will go on writing the book because that defining moment, they put some code into their head. Okay, that codes can be negative, that codes can be positive. So negative moment is, I'm based, I don't know English. This is called negative code. So if I start thinking my English is not good, I'm based, I cannot talk, I cannot do, so I'll become weak. If my code says, yes, my English is not good today, but I'll prove you that it is going to do better. Uh, that is a code which is powerful code. So like that, we form a lot of codes in mind. So can you think of any code uh, in your life which has make you not grow in your life? That is called negative code.
Means negative event is encodes, positive event is which you learn from event. That is a positive thing.
Yeah, E code, E code. Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
yes.
I understand. I understand.
Okay. So any negative code in your life when you are small or something?
I have, but not very much negative codes in my mind, because I
It is
always,
called encode. Sometimes it may also be protecting you. Sometimes
yeah,
it is also good for you. So I'm not saying it is bad thing.
I
Okay.
know.
But if you don't
Okay.
change that code into positive way, if you don't change, for example, if I tell myself I cannot earn money, okay, I cannot attract money. So there is nothing wrong in saying that. But what is happening is because of that, I'm not able to attract money in my life. So if I change that from, I cannot attract money to I can be a good salesman. Sales, see, a lot of people have different codes. See, for example, I always tell to myself, I'm not a good salesman. So can I be able to sell anything? I cannot able to sell anything. So I changed it into E code saying that selling is also a service. So when I think I'm doing a service to somebody, I go on selling things and money started coming to me. So like that, we had to change our encode to E code. Yeah, Emaji, can you remember anything which has happened in your life?
uh, about encodes.
Yeah,
Uh,
E code. Yeah,
Encode. Yeah,
encode.
yeah. Encodes I have not much, because I always learn about some events, and also I'm very rebellious person when I was kid. So I'm not thinking too much why he said, why he do it. But yeah, my parent is very strict to definitely
So
I'm
can I tell you one thing here? So you said you are
yes,
a rebellious person. Why you become
yes,
rebel? Why you become rebellious is because your parents are strict and they don't want you to do certain things.
certain boundary.
Ah, so
Do,
that's where you
don't do
wanted to.
this, you don't do this because
Ah,
you are a girl, you don't go outside because you're a girl. That is
so that is where your course has formed. You want to show your parents, even being a girl, I wanted to become successful.
yeah, you're
Okay.
right, very
So,
positive.
yeah.
Mm.
So,
I always look forward, why I'm not doing this,
so
why I'm not doing
yes,
this. That is my
that is where the codes will form in your mind. Okay.
uh,
Asha ji.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. One second. Asha ji.
Yes.
Can you think of any incidents? What happened in your life?
Mm, I could not think of much negative, yes, but when I was starting my preschool here,
Hmm.
that time my encode was I don't have enough qualification to start
Yes,
preschool
yes,
education.
yes, yes.
So I was very much reluctant, but I kept on doing the the way I have to inform the people, word of mouth and all. And first 4 months there was no result, but after 4 months, suddenly four of the parents came and they talked to me and they enrolled their kids also, and then slowly it turned into a e-code.
Okay, I will tell you one thing. I'm going to give you 10 minutes time. You just start thinking what is happening in your life from the beginning and how those negative things are still there, or you have changed it into encode. You have to start writing in your book. I'll give you one my example. So uh, like, I was failed in my BCom. Okay.
Mm.
But I want to become a doctor. So today I am a wellness consultant for many hospitals. I go and teach to many doctors, physiotherapists, dietitians about the wellness. Okay. So how it has happened is because I've changed my mind, saying ki even if I'm BCom, even if whatever I am, I can become a good doctor because
Good doctor.
okay, so that code has changed. Similarly, you just think about it. So today, whatever you are, Hemaji, if you are successful, it is because of the codes which you have given. And there are so many places which you are not growing in your life. That is also because of the codes you have given to yourself. Yeah, please tell me. Hemaji, any question?
Okay, let's pause.
Yeah. I'll give you 10 minutes time, Hemaji and Ashaji. You have to write down, just think about the defining moments in your life because every time life shifts or turns with the defining moments, somebody criticizes you, somebody laughs at you. So that is a defining moment. And then you start writing what is the positive things you have kept in your life, what are the negative things. So can we meet after 10 minutes?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Okay, write down.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, welcome back. Hope you have worked on your, defining moments. E-codes and codes are positive and negative things. Okay, Ashaji, can you
Yes.
just share defining moment in your life?
Okay. So I will share a positive one first.
Now I'm asking about defining moment.
Defining
Yeah,
defining
what?
moment is
What is your defining moment in life?
my defining moment happened when I got the best project award for my post graduation project.
Very good. What is that? How old
In
are you?
that,
How old were you at that time?
I was around 21.
Okay. What happened? Who was there, and what was said? Because
Actually, I reached my institute, and my all my friends were standing in front of the notice board. They were trying to hide the notice board
okay,
and say, "Chalo, chalo, let's go to party. Asha, you give us a big grand party." I said, "For what?" बोले पहले पार्टी दे फिर बताएंगे. मैंने कहा पहले रीजन बताओ तब पार्टी मिलेगी. So
okay,
that kind of thing. Everybody was together and teasing, trying to like. Just have fun with each other.
hmm. What would have wanted to happen?
I wanted to happen that because I know that it's a cumulative decision of the institute director and my teachers, professors. So I believe that they would have called me in the room and informed me on about it instead of reading directly on the notice board.
Okay. Which great thing did you learn from this event?
Uh, it made me so proud, and I thought that yes, I chose a topic which was little different what we learned in during the session. So I did a research on that project topic. So I thought like thinking something extra or making a difference, bringing a difference from the normal thing brings you out of gives you recognition.
Okay. Which e-codes have you formed since then?
That your hard work always pays off, number one thing.
Okay.
Number two thing, that yes, by bringing a difference in doing something, you will be recognized in a different way.
Okay. So how is your overall ask? So what positive beliefs you adopted? How they are helping them in Excel?
Keep working hard, honestly, the results will come up.
Very good. Okay. Why it's important for you to hold on to the positive beliefs and how it make you believe better?
You know, if I'm carrying this belief, it made me, kept on inspiring me to take up any kind of challenges comes, or I'm not hesitant to take up any assignment if I comes in front of me.
Okay. So can you share what is the positive or negative things? Three positive and three negative, or two?
Okay, so this was one positive event. Another, I would like to share one negative event, that one of my relative, he was totally drunk during a marriage ceremony. So I thought everybody was talking negative about him, and I thought it's so bad. And apart from that, he is a good person. He has good relations with everybody. So ultimately, he is destroying his image. So that brought a negative uh, uh,
I don't
moment.
want I don't want you to share about somebody else. I want to share about your life. See, we are coaching you, not others. Okay.
Hmm.
So you think
Okay,
about
so
positive in your life.
negative, no? Okay. So I just thought a little bit in detail, then I realized I am very friendly. I used to trust my friends a lot, and helping nature. So one time, due to that, I suffered because, when I was in grade 11, um, I was always I will not say I was a topper, but I used to get 80%, 75, 80% marks. But one of my friend, she was not that good. So in the exam, some question paper was like that. She could not appear nicely. So she asked for help. So I was literally, though we know that cheating is not good, but she said, at least tell me some points so that I can get my passing marks. So I was telling some like I was trying to write down some highlighted points on a piece of paper, and I just showed her like this. And then immediately my teacher noticed, and then he called us, and it was a very shameful for me at that point of time, because it was not me who was cheating. I was just helping her, but yes, it was counted as a cheating in the exam.
So that is your negative moment
Yeah,
in life.
that brought a negative thing.
Okay, let's ask Hemaji.
Okay.
Can you share your defining moment? Any
Yes.
moments which has
Yeah,
changed your
my
life?
defining moment positive when my kids were born and I become a mother. That is my defining moment.
Oh, very good. How old you are?
21.
Okay. What happened? Was who was there and what was
My family was there. My parents made me realize how beautiful motherhood is. That is, yeah.
what did you tell to yourself that time?
Um, I decided be a best mother I can. That time I told myself.
What would you have wanted to happen? Like you're
What?
expecting a boy, a girl,
No, I always expecting girl, and I knew before motherhood. I have a twins daughter. 3 months. Yeah, I knew it.
okay.
Yeah.
Which great things you learn from this event? Once you become a
Mm,
mother.
yes, motherhood is tough, beautiful, amazing journey. This is not a one day journey, it's long journey. Every day you learn something with the kids and how to grow. That is I learn. This is a whole journey, or ups and downs comes. That
Okay.
is I learn.
Which e code have you formed since then?
uh, Everything is a simple if you stay focused and positive.
Okay. So can you share some negative thing in your life?
Yes. My defining moment negative
Yes.
when my father lost his entire career, and with him he lost everything. Oh well.
how old you are at the time?
15.
What happened? Who was there, and what
Yeah, my family with me is there that time. Was
they
it
said to you?
what they told?
Uh,
Everything is over when we can't move forward.
What did you tell to yourself that time?
Yes, everything is over. We can't move forward. That is, I told myself that time.
What would you have wanted to happen?
What would wanted to happen? Like,
हाँ, नहीं अगर ऐसा होता तो अच्छा रहता. I mean, what kind of things?
so what I learned, na?
Yeah, yeah.
Anything can down anytime. I learned. Don't trust anyone.
No, ये अगर
What
ऐसा होता
I
तो अच्छा
learned.
नहीं.
As
What ऐसा होता तो अच्छा रहता. What would you have wanted to happen?
that age is very not mature age.
Yes, yeah.
I never think like that. I saw everything happen in front of me, but I mm, think think solution. What what is the better that time? But I never think this thing happen if is do like that. Yeah, what would happen?
At
Like,
that time, what encode you have created for yourself?
sorry, encodes.
Yeah.
Encode is don't trust easily. That is a encode
Okay,
time,
okay.
and also life is unfair
Predictable. Yeah.
to me,
Unpredictable.
unfair to me because
Yeah.
I dropped my school. I took a job that time. So that is my negative.
Negative. Okay.
It's true.
Right. So, in the next session, we'll talk about encodes and ecodes.
Yeah,
How to, letting go.
letting go.
Okay. So all this we'll do in the next session. So now you understood defining moments, how the defining moments will change our life, and how the positive quotes in your mind or negative quotes in your mind will be carrying on with you throughout your life. Okay. So something which you are still holding, how to let it go, all that thing we will practice in the next session. Okay. Have a great time, and
Thank you.
it is not easy to share in front
Yeah.
of all. So I'm happy that you have shared moments, painful moments, and the happy moments of your life in this session. So I want you to be happy, and will let us meet next week.
Yeah. Thank you.